Is the 2024 Toyota Highlander the ultimate family SUV? With turbo or hybrid power, top-notch safety, and trims for every budget, it's a segment favorite. But which one's right for you? Let's find out. Hey, welcome to I Love Cheap Cars. The 2024 Toyota Highlander is back with versatile powertrains, family-friendly features, and a price that undercuts rivals like the Honda Pilot and Ford Explorer. Whether you're hauling kids, groceries, or gear, this SUV has a trim for you. Today, we'll break down all 5 trims, compare turbo versus hybrid, and help you pick the perfect one. Stick around, hit that like button, and tell us in the comments, what's your dream SUV? The 2024 Highlander offers 2 powertrains across 5 trims, and Toyota's ditched the base L trim, making the LE the entry point. First up, the non-hybrid. A 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with 265 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic. It's punchy for passing on highways, and comes with front or all-wheel drive. Prefer efficiency? The hybrid combines a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder with 2 electric motors for 243 horsepower, 175 pound-feet of torque, and a stellar 36 mpg combined, perfect for long family trips. It uses a CVT and also offers front or all-wheel drive. Every Highlander gets Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus, with forward collision warning, low-speed auto braking, lane keep assist, auto high beams, and adaptive cruise control. Compared to rivals, the Highlander Safety Suite is standard across all trims, unlike the Pilot, where some features are optional. Let's kick things off with the Highlander LE, starting at $41,213 for the turbo front-wheel drive, or $42,155 for the hybrid. This is the value champ, seating 8 with a second-row bench seat, great for big families. You get fabric seats, an 8-way power driver seat, and an 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 6-speaker audio system. There's also a 7-inch gauge cluster display, 5 USB ports, and push-button start. Want some flair? The LE Nightshade at $43,500 adds blacked-out wheels, mirrors, and trim in cool colors like cement, windchill pearl, midnight black metallic, or ruby flare pearl. For context, the base Honda Pilot starts at $42,000 but seats 7, not 8, making the LE a better deal for larger crews. Next up, the XLE. Starting at $43,665 for the turbo, or $44,260 for the hybrid, steps up the comfort. You get a hands-free power liftgate, a power moonroof, heated front seats, and a wireless charging pad. Want a bigger screen? The 12.3-inch touchscreen is now an option. The XLE Nightshade at $46,265 brings that blacked-out style with 18-inch dark alloy wheels. This trim's perfect for families wanting a bit of luxury without going overboard. Compared to the Ford Explorer XLT, which starts at $44,500, the Highlander XLE offers more standard features, like the moonroof and heated seats, giving it an edge for the price. The XSE is the sporty one, starting at $45,252 for front-wheel drive, or $47,900 for all-wheel drive. It's turbo only, no hybrid here. You get 20-inch black alloy wheels, a mesh grille, a lower front spoiler, and a sport-tuned suspension for sharper handling. The all-wheel drive version adds active torque vectoring to send power where it's needed, perfect for twisty roads or slick conditions. Inside, there's ambient lighting for a cool vibe. Compared to the Mazda CX-9, the XSE's sporty look and handling give it a slight edge, though the CX-9 starts cheaper at $43,000. The Limited, starting at $47,770 for turbo or $49,376 for hybrid, is where luxury kicks in. You get a 12.3-inch touchscreen, a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, leather upholstery, ventilated front seats, a heated steering wheel, and an 11-speaker JBL audio system. Puddle lights and auto-tilting side mirrors make parking a breeze. The Platinum at $50,970 for turbo or $52,057 for hybrid is the top dog with no options needed. It adds heated second-row seats, adaptive headlights that follow your steering, a panoramic sunroof, a 360-degree camera, a 10-inch head-up display, and rain-sensing wipers. Compared to the Kia Telluride SX, which starts at $51,000, the Platinum's tech, like the head-up display, stands out. But the Telluride feels a bit plusher inside. Which Highlander is the best pick? The Platinum's loaded, but at over $50,000, it's pricey, especially when kids might spill juice on that fancy leather. Our sweet spot is the XLE, starting under $45,000 with heated seats, a moonroof, and optional captain's chairs for easier third-row access. It's a great balance of features and value, beating out the Honda Pilot's pricier EXL trim. If you live in snowy areas, go for the XSE with its sporty looks and dynamic all-wheel drive for better grip. Want max efficiency? The hybrid's 36 mpg is hard to beat. Keep your budget under $50,000, and you're getting a versatile, reliable family SUV that's tough to top. That's our deep dive into the 2024 Toyota Highlander. Which trim's calling your name? XLE, XSE, or maybe the Platinum? Drop it in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe to I Love Cheap Cars for more SUV reviews. Want a RAV4 vs Highlander showdown next? Let us know. See you in the next one.